guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I am ready to zoom.
Are you not coming with? Hi. Take your big friend with you. Yeah, message me when you stay on the bike.
So I am just doing what I always do, just taking my bike for a walk while I wait for everyone. Everyone is still getting ready, and I'm here stretching because, you know, with leathers, please, y'all know the difficult and struggle with leathers. We have to stretch every possible way once we get on the bike so we can, you know, have a smooth and easy ride. I've decided to move again because get out of the way. We have people still getting ready. Oh, long. Hopefully everyone is ready now, but unfortunately not, because clearly I'm still here. Oh, lights on, which means we could end up going zoomies. Yeah, no, just burped. The wait. By the way, guys, this is Soho. This is the famous bar Italia that all bikers come to. Oh, gotta get out of this way. Again, I'm in someone's way. As people always tell me, Donna, you're always in people's way. Alright, so the wait is far over now. We can actually go. But no, the crew is still pending. While we wait, let me come on here real quick and tell you guys where I got this beautiful jacket. Well, leather. This is a full piece leather. This is from Held, and this one I bought it from a friend because she no longer used it, and I really did like it, so I bought it from her. And yeah, you can actually get this in Held. You could go onto the website. I will put the details down below for y'all. I am a size 8, 6 to 8, so yeah. I don't know what size. I think that's a size 40 or 42. I can't remember. Anyway, zoomy time. Let's go through London at night. I just passed Chinatown. This is, we are currently going away from Soho, and we are heading on to a restaurant because we are all hungry bunnies. This part's quite cool. I feel like we're all like Power Rangers because we're assembled together. And yeah, this is a cute little moment for us, everyone. Again, wait at the traffic light. We are ready! We have just left Piccadilly Circus. This is the famous Piccadilly Circus, all the famous lights and whatnot. We are now, oh hey Martha, we are now about to go take another route to the restaurant. By the way guys, just so you know, London has these noise cameras. If you guys don't know what noise cameras are, I will show you what I just spotted. So these are from more like loud exhaust, and you would get a ticket. So here it is. Noise camera, you're welcome. There are a few around London. You just need to spot them out and so on. Whenever I go on my journeys, if I see anything like that, I got your back. Don't worry, boo-boo, I got you. Oh, hey. She is literally so cool. I had to just check her out. I love the way she rides. This is the first time I've actually ridden with Salma. She's actually a really, really cool rider. She rides an R1. And yeah, she literally looks like she goes on track. But believe it or not, she does not do track. Well, she's never been on track, not that I'm aware of. But she has been practicing her skills in the car park. Yes, you heard it here. Practice your skills at the car park. She's been doing them turns, their little 8 and all that jazz. That's what she's been doing. But yeah, we got this little cute little bond going on as we approach the traffic light. As everyone knows me, the popos. Oh yeah, they're looking. For those who are new to my channel or new to bikes and you have no idea what Salma just did with tapping her helmet, this means we indicate a police ahead, an officer ahead. Mayday, mayday, there is a popo ahead of us. So we are literally just telling one another that there is a police ahead of us, and just beware. But do not, I repeat, do not make it obvious like how I do, because I tend to be a little bit late and I do the tapping of the head right in front of the officer's face. When will I ever learn? I have no idea. I've lost everyone again. We're coming across, we've already passed this really cool hotel, the famous hotel Ritz, as you can see. This is now, I believe, Victoria, or this big roundabout. I don't know, somewhere around Victoria. And yeah, we're just going around the roundabout, going towards Edgware for this, oh, bye Salma, for this restaurant. Got stuck behind the traffic light, per usual. I am always the one behind the traffic lights, okay? I didn't realize that we have more bikers with us. Oh, there's Martha. There was more bikers with us. Honestly, I didn't even know that. Yeah, zoomies around this roundabout. This is literally like the longest roundabout. As you can see, it feels like a lifetime going around this roundabout. Takes a little turn. We are going towards Hyde Park, my favorite park in London. If you guys don't know what Hyde Park is, it is literally like the biggest park in New York. So London's got one. It's called Hyde Park. Then you got the Gloucester Hotel on your, is this my left or right? You see where all the lights are? Yeah, those are the hotels. The pretty big ones over there, that's the Gloucester Hotel, I believe. Then you also have the BMW Park Lane. I think this is Park Lane now. Yeah, this is Park Lane. Yeah, so we're just going past everyone. Cool camera effect, making everything look so fast. Wink, wink. That sound of the exhaust, literally, wow, makes my heart race. So the one thing I love about watching my videos as I edit this and stuff is the background. Behind me, all the sceneries of beautiful London City and the sky high skylights and whatnot. Again, traffic lights. We are so close, guys. We are actually quite close to the restaurant now. I always do this little hop. Can you see that? Whenever I come back, I do this little hop to get myself comfortable, because yeah, when you stop, it's really awkward for me with this suit, so I need to do a little hop. Yeah, I just flipped my little visor. Also, guys, you do ask me, how does this visor go down? I do have a Pista helmet, AGV Pista, and I'm just ignoring people here, by the way, telling them this is the restaurant. So I do have an AGV Pista, which I can actually flip it down by just doing a simple head movement. Here, walk in the park. Oh, I think we're done now. Sorry, guys. We've done eating. We're saying goodbye to all our friends. We've basically taken up all of the restaurant front yard, because yeah, we just parked up all there, so we need to see our bikes. Obviously, we attracted a few tourists. They want to see our bikes. And love it, I guess. All right, time to go home. I've got a long way, so I tend to ride at night. So guys, I won't tell you my location. But all I'm saying is, when you go home, please guys, ride safe. Make sure you got fuel, because here I am, empty as hell again. Make sure you guys go home safely. Check your cameras, make sure no one's following you. Do check your route. Give your live location to all your loved ones, so they know where you are and you're gonna be home safe. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Donna, and I do lots of fun, crazy things out here. If this is your style and your content, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to comment, go ahead. Comment down below. I'll do my best to respond as fast as I can. And yeah, don't forget to share this with your loved ones too, or your friends, your frenemies, whoever. Much appreciated. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I shall see you in my next video. Mwah!
Okay, let's go.